to give to our audience. Tama yun eh. So it's a business show. So bakit magkakaroon ng wellness and beauty? So naisip namin na, yun nga po, sinabi ko kanina, you can be successful business owner, you can have all the riches in the world, pero kapag hindi ka healthy, hindi ka like your balance, mind, body, and soul, so siguro it's useless. No? Everything is useless if you don't have good health. So we want to advocate beauty, not just physical beauty, but beauty inside and out. You can be beautiful by not merely physically, but your inside is beautiful also. And we also advocate balance, wellness, no? Wellness. So ngayon po kasi, we're into the era of anti-aging, age management, wellness. Kaya nga po, we want to showcase also yung mga latest, like yung mga stem cell, yung mga exosomes na kasi admitted, no, naghihirap tayo, kaya natin mamatay na maaga. So, we want to invest on that. So, hoping with this segment of entrepreneurs, we can reach more audience to take hold of their health and always feel that health is wealth and age is just a number. Okay, thank you.